Hey everybody, what's up? We're back. I'm going to give you some update here with the brackets that we were doing for the 67 Mustang on the radiator and the condenser. So this is the bracket that we fabbed up here for the AC condenser. I'm going to go ahead and give that to Wes so you can put that on. Radiator, upper bracket, as we talked about, we were doing the dimples in that just to give it a little bit of a better look and more strength as far as that goes. We got the same thing going on with the bottom. We've already installed this. We've got screws going across in the bottom and at the top, as well as on the back side of the ridge for that right there. And then we've got our flanges here to mount top and bottom on the radiator. The brackets that we've made on this, these are done out of steel. Owner's request, not really looking for a lot of flashy stuff. So instead of doing them out of aluminum or stainless where they're going to be polished or anything like that, no need. This stuff will end up going the color of the car, or more than likely it will end up being the black wrinkle type finish that we have on a lot of other areas in here. So let's get this stuff put in. Tell me what you need.
Come up a little bit there, a little bit more.
The hardware that we're using right now is just going to kind of be temporary hardware. It'll all end up being stainless hardware. We do have small stainless screws in the radiator mount. The ones we're doing right now are just some 1/4-20, just standard hardware. Those will end up being stainless button head Allen bolts. But just for mock-up purposes now, just to get everything bolted into place. But as you can see, that's how our radiator is going to sit. And we'll get our condenser. We've already got our lower brackets on the core support here to mount up this. And as I said, these brackets that we made, they're just made out of 18 gauge, just regular sheet metal. And they will be coated to match the black wrinkle finish that we have to go along with everything else. As I said, the owner's request, he likes to keep things just kind of simple. He doesn't want a lot of flashy things. So we're sticking to basically, you know, keeping it black and white with this car. So we've got a few things on the engine that are going to be painted the color of the car, intake and the cover, things like that. So, but this is our install and setup of the brackets that we made for mounting our radiator and our condenser in this 67 Mustang. We're going to continue on with mounting up our AC dryer, and again with some of the coolant overflow and power steering reservoir, and we'll keep you updated. So you guys like, subscribe, and share. We'll be back. Thanks.